Hello guys and welcome back to the GTGP. This is unboxing Quickie and we've still got all them to go, but right now today let's check out what we have with all of these. Alright, let's get started with, we got a blue Batmobile. Oh, hang on, what's that? Hey, it's a treasure hunt Batmobile. Yeah, winning. Yeah, baby. Knew I bought one. Couldn't remember which packet it's in, but there we go. All right, we also have Muscle Mania 11, the 71 Dodge Charger in vibrant pink. I don't know whether you picked that up on the video, but yeah, it is very vibrant. Very pink. So we got another treasure hunt. We got a Paradox. Very nice. Treasure hunt right there. 2014. Super chromes. That's very super chromey, that's for sure. Yeah. We got a bus. We got the Volkswagen T1 drag bus. Part of the 50th Hot Wheels favourites. And it is super heavy because it is metal. Yeah. Very nice to have added into the collection. Now we also have the Lamborghini Aventador Coupe from the Batman Dark Knight Rises series. So that's fully metal as well. And not fully metal as in fully metal as in metal. Although we are fully metal on this channel as well as other things. And we also have the TV series Batmobile fully metal, part of the Real Riders range, the classic series TV Batmobile. Very dang cool. All right, now in the second box, here's where we get some very, very special cars. So we first off have a 55 Chevy Gasser Bel Air, which is very cool. I love the Gassers. As everyone knows, I'm a bit of a Gasser nut. I love them. We also have that one, which is very cool. Bit of a red wiping off on the roof there, but that's okay. We also grabbed, in the Hooligan range, the Bel Air Gasser as well. And I love the wheels on this one. I think they look very cool. It's a very neat, solid looking Gasser. All right, now the two special ones that I grabbed, there is this, and there is that little one off to the side. Now you probably know what that one is, but this, if I can get it opened, oh, there we go. Dun, 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 check it out. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Look at that Gasser. That is slick as. I love it. I love it, and it's in a display case, so if I take the bit of tissue out that's in there, put his lid back on. Booyah! Displayed cased Gasser. I dig it. And last but not least in this Quickie, one of my personal favourites, very hard to come by at the moment. People are paying a dumb sum of money for a car, but I get it because I like it. It's the Dirty Blonde Gasser in the fully protected packaging. That's very nice. You get the view from that side as well. And it'll stand up. How good's that? Very damn cool. All right, so that is it for this Quickie, guys. So thank you very much for watching. And make sure to check out the GTGP and Diecast Dads up on Facebook. And we'll catch you next time.